Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to talk about the Z Fold 5 and One UI 6. As we all know, we're almost on beta 3 for the S23 Ultra. Probably going to be getting beta 3 here in the next few days, hopefully. And I've been talking to some people online who have some pretty good leaks, rumors, and information about the beta for One UI 6, and that we should see One UI 6 beta, I guess either 1 or based on beta 3 for the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 around beta 3 or 4. They said being a premium device that this gets a later beta just so the experience is kind of ironed out and stuff like that. So hopefully in the next couple betas, either this one or the next one in a couple weeks, we will start seeing some stuff for getting One UI 6 on the Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5. Really want to try it out and see what it brings to the Z Fold 5. I'd love it on my S23 Ultra. I know it's had some mixed reviews about animations and all that kind of crap, but I really want to try it out on the Z Fold 5. It kind of sucks because I've been using this, being a newer device, been using this the most, and been using my S23 Ultra as my secondary device, but looking forward to trying One UI 6 on the Fold. So that is kind of some information there on when we might see that. Looks like around beta 3 to beta 4 on the S23 Ultra we can expect to start seeing some stuff on the Z Fold and Z Flip 5 line as well. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.